Ever since I could remember, I like making stuff. I'll just make things, you know? My background is really pottery. It's really ceramics, touching the clay, touching the mud, making things with clay. So the clay is mixed with about 50% sawdust, dry clay, dry sawdust. But more and more, as I started to do that, I also had this little, I don't know what it was, this urge, ability, interest for teaching, for education, making stuff and teaching stuff. Well, actually you can do that. It's called being an art educator or a teacher. The idea was that the making and the teaching and the learning and the asking of questions through art, through the visual imagery that you're talking about, that was what was so important. To search for the good and make it matter. This is the real challenge of the artist. The kind of group that has self-assembled today speaks to multiple interests that I have. Henry felt like singing, but slaves didn't dare sing in the streets. Instead, he hummed all the way home. And trying to weave it into what is an art education, how does one learn through the making of things, through cultural production. And this filter's been filtering water. There we are. What kind of questions can we ask? Not just about what someone else has made, but what kind of questions can we ask through the act of making itself? I'm thrilled that you're all here, you're thinking about these ideas. I hope you take back even a small bit of what we've talked about, what you've heard from others, into your own teaching experiences, and perhaps in some way our conversation can continue